Right. Let's see if Banjo Bird will perform. Sorry about that. I was trying to get Banjo Bird to do his thing, but he really doesn't want to know. So, yeah. Play some music. Hang on, just close all these apps down. There we are. There's music going on. Leave the room. Might make some odd noises, but let's see. Right. Did you do anything, mister? Or did you really not? No. Not as much as I was hoping you'd do anyway. Funny bird. Ah. Well, that didn't work, but I know what we can do. For those who are watching in my phone, and of course the phone went slip. That's pointing the wrong way. Now, it's a bit drunk on my phone. What we've got is cheese onion crisps. As you can see from the packet. Let me go see if Banjo is interested in any of this. I'm going to see if he'll do his normal trick and take one down. Hey, get off the packet. You can get one then. Good boy. Good boy. You funny bird. Well, that will do, I think.